Guys, yeah, I know it's like early. I have an appointment today, so I ain't gonna be going to school past hours, and I'm telling you, I come here because I got some squishy balls. A lot. This one has Orbeez. This one has shaving cream. This one has water. This one has water too, but less water. And this one has rice. And I got these from the dollar store and Wise. So, my brother has one. I gave him one that was like a rundown, like it had like balls on it. Now you dirty people, don't think about that. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you the squish. Now this one. Now this one. No, looks like a pimple. I'll show you this one, but if you haven't seen it, I'll show you again. I'm gonna scratch. Yeah. Squish this goblin. The face. Okay. I'm gonna want to go back in these things in the bag.